Everything we do here is helping save someone.
When you see there is a fire over there, and you see the firefighter in the action, try to save some people, and you see the government, then you see, okay, I'm doing something that is helping someone.
So our gear helps and protects the firefighters by keeping their internal heat down, keeping moisture away from them, letting them be able to have maneuverability going into fires.
I actually had somebody reach out to me like 3 or 4 years ago telling me how our gear saved his life in a fire.
We hope they never have to run into a burning building, but if they do, we know that our gear is going to protect them. And once they put it on, they know that Fire-Dex has their back.
To be able to work for a company that's so innovative, that takes the technology that's available and to be able to use that technology to provide gear, and not just gear, sustainable gear that's proven to be able to protect our firefighters is major. And I think Fire-Dex is on the right path to ensure that you never hear a firefighter is injured because of PPE failure. And to work for a company and to have a role in ensuring that that never happens, there are no words for that. There just aren't any words for that.
We all have the same goal in mind, is protecting those who protect us.
Every stitch matters that goes into the firefighter gear. Our main goal is the safety of the firefighter, and that is one goal that I will always keep in my team. We're doing this for someone's life, so every stitch counts.
It makes me feel great to know that we make something that makes such an impact on the community.
It's just a great feeling, a feeling that I can't even begin to explain.